Well, every company does have before and after photos, and what makes us different is how we get from the before to the after. We have the estimators do their specific tasks, the project managers do their specific tasks, and then the administrative staff inside the building, they do theirs. Everybody's task is segmented, so they do their job well. The administrative staff, they take care of the permitting, the engineering, all that stuff, so that the project managers aren't hindered by that. They make customer service calls all throughout the project to make sure everybody's happy, that there aren't any issues arising that the office isn't aware of. And we do our best just to make sure that all along the way, the customer is very happy and the project is moving along at a reasonable pace.